Jormane and my name is Jamie. Today, we're gonna be making Kutsinta! First, we need to wash our hands. Here are the ingredients. 3 cups of water, 1 cup of glutinous rice flour, 1.5 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of fly water or lihia, 1 cup of grated coconut. We also need measuring spoons, a mixing bowl, and a wooden spoon. Plastic cup molds, and a steamer for cooking kutsinta. Let's start mixing the ingredients. We'll now pour in the glutinous rice flour, then the flour, next the brown sugar, 3 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of fly water. Let's start steaming. Let's pour the mixture in the plastic mold. Now let's put the plastic molds in the steamer. We're so excited to taste Kutsinta! After 40 minutes in the steamer, it's done. Let's put grated coconut on top of the kutsinta. This is so yummy! We hope you're staying at home and being safe. We hope you learned something new today. We lived in interesting times.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to show us some love by liking it and subscribing or following us on all of our social media platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. We'd love to hear what you think. So if there's something that you liked or maybe something you'd like to see from us, let us know in the comments and we'll try our best to make that happen. See you later.